Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is a component in React.js. Till now we discussed about what is React.js, right? How to do installation, what are the softwares are required, and we understand about the folder structure. Okay, so how to create the React project also we discussed in the last sessions, guys. If you are watching for the first time, please go ahead and watch the video in the YouTube series. We have 4 videos are available, you can watch it. Okay, so quickly let me explain what is a component in React.js. Guys, if you are really like these videos, if you are enjoying these videos, please leave a comment and like our channel, guys, and you can subscribe also, you will get on time updates. Okay, so just you can type it Java Express in the YouTube, you will get it. Okay, see here what is a component in the React.js. As I told previously also, all React based applications will work on the component based. Okay, what is a component? Let me add some couple of points so that you will have some idea. Okay, guys, a component is considered as the core building block. It's kind of a heart of the application, core building blocks of a React applications. Okay, you can create you can create any number of components in the React application. If you want one, you can create. If you need more than one, you can create in the React application. Everything will work as a component based only. Okay, these components are independent. I will show you one diagram to you so that you will get some better idea. Components are independent and the reusable code. Okay, just let me show you some small diagrams so that you will get a better idea. Then we'll add some couple of points here. Now, uh, if you see here, uh, when we create a React application, what are the default component files? I already explained the folder structure, that is about the app component. This app component, okay, will hand over to the index.js file. That index.js file will available in index.html. Hope everyone is aware. Okay, now if you think throughout the project, assume that if you take any website, normally we have a these kind of menus are available here in React based. I told here, see here, this is called a header component. In the bottom it is the footer component, left hand side left component, right component, and the main content here we used to call as a header menu, footer menu, left menu, and the right menu. In the middle, whatever content you need, you can add it. Okay, so if you need a right component, you can add. Still it is a optional, it's not a mandatory to have all the components. So 1 2 3 4 5 components we created. These 5 components we need to include in a parent component where we can add as a app component or master component here. That is the meaning here. Here, component is nothing but a JavaScript file. You need to create 5 JavaScript files. If you want to apply any like styles, you can have 5 CSS files will be there. That means each component has one JavaScript file, one test class, and another one CSS file. If you think this project, if you see here how many components, 5 components, 5 into 3, overall 15 files should be there. If you want to write a test case, you can decrease the file. Okay, here if you see here, we can say that every application will develop in the React will made up of pieces, small pieces. Each piece we can call a component here. So UI, complete UI into a multiple individual pieces called a component, and it will work independently and merge into a single parent component. Hope you have a some better idea what is a component. And let me add some couple of points here. We can say, okay, we can say that every application will develop in the React. will be made up of pieces. Okay, we can call as a pieces called components. Okay, hope you guys are clear some idea what is a component. Okay, using the components we can provide communication between the component. Assume that you have a dependent. From one component I want to send data to another component. That kind of communication also we can achieve. So finally what I'm trying to say, you can see a ui, right? That ui, what we can do, we can broke down into multiple individual pieces called components. Hope you got some idea. And these components work on them independently. It will be work, guys. And these, whatever it is working independently, we can merge them all in a parent component parent component which will be your final UI, which will be a final UI. Then these components we have two types of components. Okay, number one is the functional component, we can call it a functional component. Number two is a class component. Functional level and the class level components are there. Hope you got some better idea what is a component in the React. In the next, okay, video will discuss about what is a functional component, how to create a class, what are the steps you need to take care while creating the functional component. Okay, so that's all today's session, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, just you can type JavaScript. Guys, this is you can subscribe, you will get a notification icon. Here in the playlist you have a see React.js tutorials. Just we are uploading here, just you can go through these 4 videos. Guys, if you need immediately an update, we have a Telegram group. Just you can click here, and just in a Telegram group you can search with Java Express official. Just you can join that group, guys. You will get on time updates. Okay, guys, thank you for listening the class. Thank you, guys. We'll catch up next time.